Hi guys, it's me Ayana, and I'm going to teach you how to make origami butterflies. Now first, you have to take a piece of paper and it will be a small square, and then you have to fold it carefully or your butterfly will be ruined. I already did that. Now the second part is that you have to fold it this way so carefully that also your butterfly does not even be ruined. And now it's a plus. Now the third part is you have to fold it like a card, and you have to also fold it carefully so that your butterfly does not be ruined. If it is ruined, you have to fix it. And now it's like a crystal star. Now you have to make a triangle like this. Okay. Now time for the other side too. See? And now you have to cut this side, but not this side, otherwise it will be ruined. So just take a little cut because remember this part is the wing. See? Okay, now the next pose, you have to take two pieces and put it over here. And also take two pieces here, put it over here. And try to make sure those two matches. Okay, just need to fix it. Okay, now see, these are the other two feathers. And now we have to take this part and put it up here. And lock this part down. And now I just need to tape it. And now putting it here. Oh my gosh. And see, this is how it looks. It's like, and you guys have to try because it's very easy and you have to stay healthy from the coronavirus. Thanks for watching. Bye.